Hey there. Are you tired of having your important documents scattered all over the place in multiple PDF files? Well, guess what? I've got the perfect solution for you on how to merge and organize your PDFs into one seamless file. Whether it's for school assignments, project research, or just general housekeeping, having one organized PDF can save you a ton of time and hassle. Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to do just that. You won't believe how simple it can be. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss out on more handy tips and tricks. Alright, let's get started.
I think we all can attest to this, wanting to merge PDF documents, having multiple PDF documents, and you want to combine that, whether it's for storing purposes or you just want to keep a trail of documents in one. And I'm going to show you today how you can do that. It is also a good way to, for example, if you are applying for a Canadian visa, when you are doing it yourself, or even if you have a representative and you're submitting your documents, they have a slot for each document type, and it is restricted to 4 megabytes in terms of the size. And so if it is that you have multiple pages of documents, then you have to combine all of those documents into just one. So if you have multiple PDF, this is just a good tool that you can use to merge your PDF. You may want to take out an additional page or add an additional page just to organize your PDF. Simple tips and tricks. So I'm just going to show you how to do that today. So I have created 2 separate PDFs. So this is one. It says, thank you for watching this tutorial. Well, you can read the information that's there. So this is what is there. So I'm going to show you how I can merge this PDF. If you notice, there is an error with the word subscribe, like, and comment. So this was done deliberately just to demonstrate how to use this tool. So I'm going to use a tool to upload this PDF so that I can organize it, and where this incorrectly spelled subscribe is, I want to replace it, and this is another PDF that I've created. I will replace it with this one, which was spelled correctly. I've created these two just to show you how to do that. Now, the tool that I will be using, there are a number of free tools that you can use, but my favorite to use is either the smallpdf.com or my favorite, which is ilovepdf.com. So that's the one that I'll be using for this tutorial today. So this is ilovepdf.com, and I will link it in the description. So let's just look at what it offers, and then we can do the practical demonstration. It says every tool you need to use PDFs at your fingertips. All are 100% free and easy to use. Merge, split, compress, convert, rotate, unlock, and watermark PDFs with just a few clicks. Yes, guys, you can do all of that with this free to use tool. So you can merge your PDF, you can split it, meaning that if you have a PDF and you want to take out portions of it, you can do that. If you want to compress it by reducing the size whilst optimizing it for maximum quality, you can do that. You can convert your PDF to document, you can convert PDF to PowerPoint, PDF to Excel, Word to PDF, PowerPoint to PDF, Excel to PDF. You can edit PDF, PDF to JPG, which is an image, JPG to PDF, so that's an image to PDF. You can sign PDF, you can watermark, rotate. There is so much to do with this free tool, and this is where we are going to use this one today, which is to organize the PDF, but just showing you all the different things that you can do with this free tool. Always behave ethically when it comes on to editing your PDF. You don't want to edit your bank statement or anything that is pertinent to depict false information that was not there before, because once you do something fraudulently, then that becomes a criminal act. So please be mindful of what you do when you are editing PDF. I'm going to show you how you can merge your PDF. First things first, I'm going to go to merge PDF, just select that, then it says select the PDF file. So once you go to this, then you will have to pick up the file where you have stored it. So you have to remember where you have stored it on your computer. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up the first one. So this was the first one that I created. So I'm going to go ahead and add by clicking on this plus and you see what that says. It says add more files. So this was the first PDF I've created, and I'm going to add the next one so that I can merge them into one. So I'm going to hit the plus. Okay, so I've added the second one. So now that I've combined the two PDF that I want to merge, I'm just going to go ahead and say merge PDF. Okay, that was quick. It says PDFs have been merged. So depending on the size of it, that will determine how fast it takes for it to merge. So now that it was merged and I've downloaded it, it had opened up in my PDF reader. So this is it. Let's see what it looks like now. So, all right, so it has the first one. So this was the first one, and then this was the second one with the subscribe that was spelled correctly. So this third PDF was made up of this one that I've created and this one that I've created. And you notice the name, you can always rename it. It's I love PDF _merge. So that's the name of the new file that was created. Now what I want to do is to take out some of the unnecessary information. So I wanted to just have this portion, which is thank you for watching this tutorial. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. And then I wanted to show subscribe, like, and comment the image. That's all I want. But if you notice, you will see other things. Ultimate OBS Studio, this was a thumbnail for a tutorial that I've done, and you will also see another image. But I just want to tidy up this PDF. I don't want this again because it's already at the top. So I want to organize it. I want to tidy it up and to just leave this image with the thank you message. So what I'm going to do now is to organize my PDF. Whenever you have done anything, your information will be deleted. However, you can go ahead and delete it right away. Once you hit delete, it will tell you that your files would have been automatically deleted after 2 hours, but you can delete it now and then go back to the home page. So now that I have the PDF and there are some unnecessary pages that I want to get rid of, I'm just going to do, let me see, which one of the best option to use here? I'm going to use the organize. So I'm going to organize PDF, and then here I'm going to select the file. Again, you must know where you had your file saved. So I'm going to select PDF. Once you have selected your PDF, then this is how the layout will look. You can see all the different parts or pages that makes up your PDF. So naturally, I want to remove a lot of these pages. I just want to keep this page, that's number 1, and I want to keep this one here where the subscribe was spelled correctly. For this, it's a duplication because it's already here. So I'm just going to tap on this delete. Then likewise for this one, subscribe was spelled incorrectly. So I'm just going to delete that one. And this is also another duplicated incorrect spelling. So I'm going to delete that one. And for the OBS Studio, it's irrelevant to what I want to do here. So I'm just going to delete that one. So I am left with the 2 that I wanted, which is this one and this one. Now that I'm finished removing and moving around, you could also move around. So if you want the subscribe to be at the top, you just hold down the left click on your mouse and drag it. That's how you do that. So easy, right? Look at that. All right, so now that it's finished organizing, I can then go ahead and say organize. The task has been processed successfully. Now I'm going to download the file. And as usual, once you are through, what I do, I just go ahead and delete my information right away. The system will automatically delete it after 2 hours, but why wait when you can do it right away? There you go. Delete now. Now that it was deleted, let's look at our new copy that we have organized. Remember, the aim was to see, this was it. Let me show you everything that was contained in it. It had this page, this, and this. I wanted to keep just this one as well as the one with the writing, so I needed just only 2 pages. Let's look at the new one that was created. This is it. Zoom out a bit. So this is it. There you have it. So I have organized, deleted the ones that I don't want, and now only 2 pages are left. Just this one. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. That follows by the image to subscribe, like, and comment. And I hope you guys are subscribing, liking, and commenting. Thank you so much for watching. So this is how you can use this free tool to organize your PDF. If you want more tutorial on how to do simple little things that you probably never thought of, drop it in the comment below and I will continue to keep it coming. Please remember to subscribe to the channel. Do give me a thumbs up on this one. Drop your comments so we can stay engaged. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you found value in the content. Bye-bye.